boys and girls. This is Miss Leyva, Science Talk, and today we are out here in my backyard. I'm so glad that you're here with us. All right, today we're going to talk about different science concepts, and one of them is forces. Can you say forces? Forces. Well, there are two kinds of forces. Two kinds. One is the pushing force, or push. And how do we know what is? Well, we're going to demonstrate it with my toy car. So come on over here. And there's my toy car, and I'm going to demonstrate the pushing force. Before I do that though, take a second to tell someone at home, what do you think is going to happen when Miss Leyva pushes her toy car? So I want you to predict. Okay, I know you're good scientists. I know you make good predictions. So let's see what happens. Let's see, I'm going to push it. Oh, there it goes. It went that way. It moved. Yeah, so that was the pushing force. Now, there's another kind of force, and that is the pulling force, or pull. Take a second to tell someone at home, what do you think is going to happen when I pull my toy car? Okay? All right, I know you made a good prediction, so here we go. Now let's use the force of pulling on my car. So let's see. Oh, I see. When I pulled, and that car went towards me, so it came closer to me. Very good. So that was pushing and pulling. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is motion. Motion. And we're going to put the toy car aside and our words aside to demonstrate this. Okay, so motion. Now I'm going to use my body, and then you know what? You can also do it with me. That'll be fun. Now, motion means when a person or a thing, like an animal or a toy car or anything else, moves. There's different motions, different ways of moving. So I'm going to demonstrate one motion, and that is the forward motion. Are you ready to do it with me? Okay, let's see. Here we go. What happened? I moved which way? I moved forward. Very good. Now let's try another kind of motion, and that's called the zigzag motion. And it looks kind of like a whole bunch of Z's, the letter Z. So here we go. Are you ready to do it with me? If you don't know how to do it, just watch me, okay? Then you can do it later at home. Here we go. Zigzag motion. Yes, I did make a lot of Z's on there because that was zigzag motion. Now, let's try another motion. Let's come on over here. So now the next motion is this one. It's the backward motion. So here we go. Here we go. Be careful when you do that to make sure you know where you're going backwards. That's the backward motion. So we have different kinds of motions. So let's see. Let's take a look at what we talked about today. That was a lot of work. And I'm so glad that you are here with me to talk about this. We talked about the different kinds of forces. One of them is pushing, or push, and the next force is pulling, or pull. And we also talked about different kinds of motions. Motions, one of them was the forward motion, one of them was the zigzag motion, and then the next one was the backward motion. So you try those at home, okay? All right, well, our time is up. Thank you for joining me, and see you next time on Miss Leyva's Fun Science Talks. Thank you.